I got this beautiful looking bread from Columbia County Bakery, and it is a flourless sprouted organic whole grain. So they sprout the whole grain and they turn it into bread. They have it vacuum packed here for freshness. So I thought I'd try it out. It smells really good. It smells sweet. It smells fruity. So, there it is. I'll take a bite of it. Very interesting flavor. It's very good. I think it'd be really good toasted or with some cream cheese or butter. It's delicious. And the interesting thing is it's made with no flour. It has a nice sour tang, but it's not too sour. It really reminds me of a type of rye bread. I can't think of the name of it. When I was young, we would get these small loaves that were sliced really thin, and they were so good with, they had a nice closed crumb, and they were really good with like cream cheese and things on top. So it's really delicious if you have if you were looking for a sprouted whole grain bread that has no flour in it because the grains were actually sprouted, then you might want to try this out. I also got some crisps from them as well, like crackers. These crisps have a really nice full-bodied wheat flavor to them. They're pretty crunchy. They're pretty good too. Well, thank you for sending me this in the mail, Columbia County Bakery. I'm going to really enjoy it.